I was worried you blow my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you making me shiver, your hands on my silver.
Hey guys, welcome back to Ivy Space. So today we are at Dollarama and I'm showing you guys some of the spring slash Easter decoration section at Dollarama. I hope you guys love this video. So over here we make videos on shopping, home decoration, mini vlogs, cooking and things like that. So if today is your first day and you're new here, that is what we do on this channel. If you're interested in things like that, please push the subscribe button down below, and also do not forget to push the notification bell so that you know what, YouTube will let you know whenever I upload a video. And guys, for all my current subscribers, my latest subscribers, my OGs, thank you so much for constantly coming back and supporting my channel. So guys, these are some of the stuff that I found for Easter at Dollarama. So I filmed this 2 different times because the first time I filmed it, not everything was out yet. It was still Valentine's stuff out, but they just had a small sections that I had Easter stuff out already. So I filmed that. Now that everything is out, I went back and the whole aisle was filled with Easter stuff. There's no more Valentine's stuff at Dollarama right now. The last time I went, which was about a day ago, there was nothing there that I could find for Valentine's. So they have all the Easter and spring stuff out already. So if you're interested in some of these Easter decoration pieces, I would say start now because they go by so fast, guys. They go so fast. Start shopping for your Easter decor now. I've been posting some Easter decor videos on my YouTube channel. I posted one from HomeSense recently, and this is from Dollarama. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my videos and also leave a comment some of the stuff that you love to buy here at Dollarama. I love to buy a lot of my kitchen supply here, like garbage bags and things like that, kitchen organization here at Dollarama. So guys, leave a comment down below some of the stuff that you love to buy here at Dollarama, for like what you like to buy here at Dollarama. So I'm going to let you guys watch this video to an end. I hope you guys like this video. Please leave a comment down below if you start shopping for your Easter decor and some of the places that you love to shop at when it comes to your home decoration stuff. So I hope you guys love it. Watch it to an end, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Every time that my mind slip, I just see my past life. Having dreams in a dream, I wonder why I carried on with the things that made you lose your mind. There's no way I can undo what I've done. Can we be strangers again, start fresh like a morning? What's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of town. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print of you. All my friends keep on saying that I'm better off alone. They don't know what it feels like, but I do. So you faded out while I was too damn obsessed with myself. Wanna hit the reverse on what's broken. Can we be strangers again? Start fresh like a morning. But what's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print of you, 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 of you. I shoot in the dark, so I miss my target. It's the time to move on, but I cannot. I shoot in the dark, so I miss my target. It's the time to move on, you know. So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print of you, you, 3D of you, of you, of you, 3D of you, yeah, you, 3D of you, of you.
Think I'll stop playing hard. As a matter of fact, I will never ever pretend that I'm more than that. It is hard, that I know, but I'm scared as hell. Can you please just comfort me? You know so well this is tough, but I know we can make this work. I'm in love and it feels so great that it hurts. Tell me, boy, could you ever feel the same? I love you, it's true, I could say it again, though I never, ever, ever, ever think that I will let you in this time. Know that I will use these wings to fly. I know that I ain't hurt no more. This feeling is so good, I know. Think that I will let you in this time. I have a feeling deep down we will take this far. You and me, only us, right there from the start. I can see in your eyes that you feel it too. Oh boy, I would give it all to you. Look me in the eye, see our hearts collide. This can only happen once in a lifetime. Look me in the eye, see our souls collide. This can only happen once in a lifetime. Thought I never, ever, ever, ever think that I will let you in this time. Know that I will use these wings to fly. I know that I ain't hurt no more. This feeling is so good, I know. Think that I will let you in this time. This is tough, but I know we can make this work. I'm in love and it feels so great that it hurts. Tell me, boy, could you ever feel the same? I love you, it's true, I could say it again, though I never,